Welcome back to Luxury Vehicles. The 2025 Jaguar I PACE is a mid-size luxury crossover that runs solely on electricity. Power comes from a 90 kWh lithium-ion battery, about 84.7 kWh of it usable, feeding two permanent magnet motors for standard all-wheel drive. Combined output is 394 horsepower and 696 Nm, launching the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.8 seconds and onto an electronically capped 200 km per hour. Official range is 470 km on the WLTP cycle, about 246 miles EPA, and a 100 kW DC fast charger takes the pack from 10 to 80% in roughly 40 minutes. An 11 kW onboard AC charger handles home or workplace top UPS. Built around an aluminum skateboard chassis, the IPACE uses double wishbone front and integral link rear suspension, with optional adaptive air springs that can raise or lower ride height by 50 mm. Despite a curb weight a shade over 2.2 tons, the low battery placement and a 0.29 drag coefficient help it feel planted and efficient. Inside, the flat floor frees generous rear legroom, while luggage space totals 557 liters plus a 27-liter frunk. The Pivi Pro infotainment suite brings a 10-inch main touchscreen, a 5-inch climate screen, a 12.3-inch driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in Amazon Alexa. Safety tech includes adaptive cruise with lane centering, a 3D surround camera, rear traffic automatic braking, and Jaguar's ClearSight digital mirror. For 2025, Jaguar simplifies the range to a single, highly equipped R-Dynamic SE black trim that bundles matrix LED headlights, black exterior accents, Meridian 3D audio, and heated and cooled 16-way memory seats. Major options are the fixed panoramic roof, which can be deleted for a slight range gain, adaptive air suspension, 22-inch wheels, and an expanded driver assist pack. The battery is covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles to 70% capacity, while the vehicle warranty is 5 years or 100,000 kilometers in most markets. Base pricing stands at €93.900 in Germany and £72.495 in the UK as of April 2025. Subscribe my channel.